Hi, I'm Alexis Dickerson.
Hi, I'm Shelby Lipke, and today we will be talking about the effects of the plastic bottle.
When did this water bottle problem start?
This water bottle problem started roughly around 1947, which is when the water bottles were created. The plastic of the bottle is made of BPA, which just isn't good to humans, plants, living things. It's just not good news. And also, when it was created, people didn't really know where to put them. Recycling, I'm pretty sure, was not a very big thing back then. It's barely a big thing now, so it's kind of just went in landfills and the ocean. What are the negative impacts water bottle pollution has caused to our biosphere?
Well, the impact to humans is the plastic in the bottle is hazardous in a few ways. The first way is that the plastic bottle has BPA, which is an estrogen mimicking chemical. This chemical is linked to various serious health problems. For example, learning and behavioral issues, altered immune system functions, you get sick easier, early puberty in females, and fertility problems. You cannot have babies or there are baby complications, decreased sperm count, prostate and breast cancer, diabetes and obesity.
Another dangerous chemical in the plastic is phthalates. Phthalates is an endocrine disrupting chemical that causes development and reproductive problems. These problems have a wide range of development and reproductive issues, so I'm just going to name 3 of them. Giving birth more than a week early, testicular tumors, and for males, lower testosterone counts.
The second impact is the impact on the atmosphere. Phthalates are also really bad for the atmosphere. When plastic is burned, it releases phthalates, which produces the greenhouse effect, which is when gases are trapped in the atmosphere and they warm the Earth's surface, and a bunch of bad things for the environment happen, like ice caps melting, known as global warming.
Impact on geography. If not taken care of properly or by recycling, the plastic will get into the ocean, which is not decomposed, or it could just sit in landfills. By the plastic just sitting in landfills and oceans, animals can die by swallowing the plastic, or the chemicals can get into the water in the bodies of water that it's just sitting in and cause animals health problems, and it's just not good for the geosphere.
Next is the impact on the hydrosphere. All of the plastic that does not go to landfills or is recycled ends up in oceans, lakes, rivers, really any body of water. This affects the animals by not only them choking by eating the plastic, but also living in the chemicals that are put into the bodies of water are just not good for them.
Impact on biodiversity of organisms. The chemical affects the development and reproduction of animals. They can also eat and choke on the plastic or get really sick just because the plastic doesn't really digest.
Was there a certain group or country that propelled or increased the negative impact?
There's this organization called Ban the Bottle, which all they want you to do pretty much is not use disposable plastic water bottles, but use environmentally safe water bottles. They even have their own line of environmentally safe water bottles, so you're not disposing of them, or they want you to recycle and just pretty much do good to the environment.
What steps have humans tried to take in the past to solve this problem?
People have been recycling, using reusable water bottles that are BPA free, or they use glass bottles or even metal bottles. Are there any particular world area/regions that are affected most by this problem?
The ocean is most affected by water bottles. The reason is because when the water bottles do not end up in landfills, they seem to drift away into bodies of water, which this picture is showing one of the oceans with a bunch of water bottles that have just drifted away into it and just are sitting there because they don't have anywhere else to go. Are there only groups of individuals helping to try to solve the problem, or are all humans trying to help?
It's only groups, because not everyone recycles and not everyone uses reusable water bottles.
What are the 2 most up-to-date technology that help solve water bottle problems that humans have made?
Well, as we're showing you here, there's the reusable water bottle, and there's also recycling. What are the costs, both money and time, to help solve/repair this problem?
The amount of money and time is unknown because we don't know when all the plastic bottles will be gone and how much time and money it's actually going to take, because there's so many water bottles just sitting around and more being made.